Hello everybody, today I'm going to show you how to open, guess, watch and remove everything. So let's start with the back and open it like that. You can, if it's easy, you can use just your hand or can use twist like this to turn it in these points like that. So if I open this, I open it like that, I have to remove this plastic protection. Then I have to remove this button. So I have to turn it like that. And turn it like that. When I see that everything is moving inside, so I have to push it back to his place, okay? Then I take a needle and push right here. You have to look for a point which is written push. It's written here, push, as you see. Let's focus in, yes, push. So I have to push here. So I have to ensure that the button is back inside and push here and remove the button. Very easy. Now I have to go to the next step and remove the watch from the inside. Oh shit. You have to be careful to not broken it. Everything. I open it because those circles are removed. Okay, so I have to use some glue here. I have epoxy glue. This is a epoxy glue or plastic glue. I have to mix it like that. Then use it to fix the parts. Small points of glue. And be careful to not touch anything else inside of the watch. As you see, it's in the right place. Now it's perfect. Let's go to the second one. And push it like that. And I have to use this wood needle or this pick. And try to do not use a super glue, okay? It's very dangerous to use a super glue here. So I have to put an extra layer of the glue here, but I have to fix this first. This is epoxy glue. Now I'm done and I have to put it back again. Now I have to clean it. If you see it's not shiny and it's dirty, okay, these dirts here, and I have to clean it, okay. So I have to use oil of weapon or oil of reserve, okay. You can see the differences between these places and other places. Look at this place. Look. Okay, and you have to clean this place too. Now let's put it back again to his place. And push the button back. Sorry. Okay, can see it now. It's come back together. Now let's put the plastic protection, which is secure the watch to not move inside. Now let's close it before a small cleaning. Okay, now let's push and yes, turn it and turn and turn. Yes, now it's good. Okay, now let's push this and put it inside. As you see, I don't have the battery, so I will buy it later, okay. So thanks for watching, and I was just to show you how to open it, and this is the way to open and close this watch. Thank you for watching.